Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be going through how to register for Salesforce certification and how to find resources that will help you to prepare for Salesforce certification in your Salesforce journey. So without further ado, let's dive into the actual demo and the way how you can do it. Currently, I am logged into my Trailhead, and on this section you can all see I will have to go under credential. You can find a sub-tab called certification. Okay, so let's click that, and on this section you can see all certification aligned for each role in Salesforce environment. So currently you see how, like, under a selected Salesforce administrator, you can see the following certification, right? And there are 6 of them that Salesforce recommends for you. When you click on Salesforce Architect, you can see it's different way. When you click on Salesforce Developer, you can see more certification you can schedule. The most popular ones are Developer 1 and Developer 2. And if you want to dive in and learn other industries, will be also nice to go. And then Platform Builder is also very common. If you want to switch to and find other certifications such as Experience Cloud, Education, or Business Analyst, for people who are BA. Also, another one is very popular one, right? It's Tableau CRM Einstein, Sales Cloud Consultant. Okay, so the cool thing about this part, you can find 2 buttons, right? You can see how it's scheduled for each certification. There's a button, but you also can click on actual item, and then when you click on the actual link, it will take you to all guidance prepared to you by Salesforce. So it basically tells you how you can prepare and how you can, what badges you can go and get to feel more comfortable. And usually it will also take you how long it will take for you to get ready and be fully prepared for the following certification. So in this case, they're recommending resources for 60 hours. They will tell you what else you can do, like in this case, join the community for additional help. You can also participate in classes and workshops prepared by Salesforce. And you can also schedule credential. And upon finishing this credential, you can also get a big discount for your certification exam. So let's jump in on how to actually register for Salesforce certification. So on this button, as I was showing to you, let's go back actually. For each certification, there's a button, right? So if you click on it, it will take you to the Criterion. So it's like a third party that Salesforce is partnered with, where you actually need to register and then create a password and your username, right? In this case, it can be found here. So in my case, I already have a username and account, so I can just like log in. And then once you are created your own account and you logged in to here, you can go to proceed. You can also have, like, you can see 4 tabs: home, my assessments, register for an exam, receipt. So the one which we're looking for is register for an exam. Here you can see all available certification you can register for. Okay, you can also find additional links such as protocol, how you can get ready, basically some disability accommodation in case somebody has any disability, they can inform and then get extra time. Okay, so let's say that I'm currently preparing and ready to take CPQ exam, so I open that section. I can also open the other one, like under administrator exams. You can see there is admin 1, admin advanced, and business analyst. Depending what you're gonna take, you will need to find that specific certification. So let's say I'm registering for Dev 2. I can actually click on it and expand the window, and then here you can see 3 sections, right? There's online protocol, there's on-site, protected, event, proctored, right? Proctored. Why do I say that? Okay. You can see the pricing, right? $200 for each certification. Depending how you're gonna take it, if you're planning to take it online, you need to go with online, proctored. So let's click that, and now let's go with online version. Make sure you select the proper one, the one which is right for you. So once I click that, it will take me to find a time zone. Let's say it's a New York time zone, and then here you can select the date, and then on our right section you can see all the availability times you can schedule your exam. As you can see, it's pretty easy and there's a lot of availability. Let's click, I'm gonna take this exam on Saturday at 3 p.m. Time zone is already selected, as I was showing. You need to go ahead and acknowledge that. Select this section, right? This section is very important. What you can do, you can actually apply your coupon if you have one for additional discount on your voucher. Usually you can get, and I maybe can actually put some vouchers if I can find any in the comment section or maybe in the description. Once you're ready for that, you just click submit and check out. So once you fill this information and register, you're gonna be basically getting that email, and then in the email they will give you a further instruction what to do next. But I think it will let you know, it will make you basically register or like install some of the platforms that you need prior to exam. Make sure you follow that instruction on your email, guys. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you're stuck or if you have any questions. See you guys in the next video.